if you find parents that your adolescents are struggling in some way and you're able to make a connection to stress. So in this session, we're going to walk through in their pace. They're going to be able to kind of have the world open up to them and understand what stress is, recognize in themselves, have tools that they're going to learn on how to manage that stress. They're going to know that that voice in their head, just because they think it and feel it, doesn't make it real and doesn't mean they have to act upon it. We want them to be able to understand that. You're also going to have time management, how to be more efficient with their time. I like to say, work smart, stop working so hard. So it's that they'll be able to do work less time, but yet have better quality and be able to have more time to just relax and have some self-care time or friendship time or family time, right? That they won't need to be so overwhelmed with the responsibilities. And we have social stress because we know that there is a huge challenge with peer pressure, self-perception, comparison, all of those types of things, speaking in public. A number of things are covered in the social session. And then we have a wellness segment where they're now able to understand the connection between their mind and their heart and their gut, right? Because a lot of times we're separating the two. We're living head up, trying to be logical and thinking what it should be and comparing ourselves. We're not necessarily integrating head down, understanding that they develop their perception, right? Their intuitive abilities, that they're able to say, I may not be able to put my finger on it, but I don't think that's the right thing to do. Or that ability for their system to trigger them and say, we should be doing homework, but we're watching TV or playing games or something, that there's that connection that they're able to kind of develop and master as they get older, which is imperative for them to be successful and for them to have good relationships, their own resiliency, their own capacity to see and understand and accept and love themselves. And then they are able to grow into the magnificent adult that they want to be and achieve all of their goals. So these sessions are a great foundation to start that work. That's a lifelong ongoing work, but these sessions in a nutshell will give your adolescents the ability to be able to learn emotional intelligence, the ability to have their emotions managed. They're managing their emotions are not managing them. So sign your child up for this session and you're going to be able to see them just like a flower, get in water and nourishment, going to start to blossom. And that's the goal of these sessions.